Hi there. Today I've got a Galaxy DX-959 again. Simple tune-up and clarifier modification. This is for Patrick in Alaska. Patrick wanted to be able to slide this radio up to the next channel. Kind of a 10K. So you can go down to 200, down 5, and up 13. So that gets him right where he wants to go with it. Okay, Patrick. Alright. Let's check it out over here on the watt meter. I got the power turned all the way down. It's going to come over here to 1 watt, and then we got 10 all the way to the right. 1 watt there. If I turn the power up, it's a little over 5. Peak power over here on a 50 watt slug. You're going to be seeing it just over the 30 mark right there. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check. And on sideband. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Okay. I'll put this one on here. Couldn't get a radio check going there.
How about it, 19? Can I get a radio check?
Yeah, it's working.
I appreciate it. Thank you.